Guys, welcome to the channel. On today's video we are at part 3 now, I believe, of the off-road budget speed build. I say budget in the loosest of terms, but we're comparing this to other 1/8 scale fast trucks, metal chassis, etc. So 6S Arrma range, part 3. Part 1 was the initial build and test. Part 2 is with this motor in 150 amp ESC. We destroyed this motor. So in this video we're fitting, if we can, this massive thing. You can see the size difference. So this is a 4585 can. It's 1580 kV. Nice big chunky motor. Hopefully it's going to power this thing along off-road, because we just I think it wasn't, maybe slightly over gear, but this motor was just not up to the job off-road with the gearing. So taking that out now. I might take it apart and have a look, because we definitely burn it out because it stinks, and I think this thing's going to have loads of torque. So we're going to keep the same gear in. So we'll get it in here, stick a 4S in, and then we're going 6S, and we'll see how fast we get this time. I'm going to get this fitted. Need to find some different size bolts in there, M4s maybe. So I'll get this fitted, we'll get it in, get it meshed up, and then we'll switch it on, make sure it runs, and then we're going to get out and give it a run on the field. So I made some adapters, because this motor's got 6mm connectors and these are 4mm, so made some adapters up. Motor fits in perfectly. I've put a little bit of foam under there just to support it. I've got a 4S LiPo in there. Switch it on. Where's my switch gone? The steering's good. I say we're ready to go. I think I did forget to mention the cost of that motor. I paid for that motor about 6 months ago. I paid like $40. They're about 60 now, so they've gone up a bit in price, but still within budget. Even a $50 or $60 motor I think would be in budget with a budget build. Anyway, let's get this thing out, see what it does on 4S, and then let's throw 6S in it and see if we can beat 49 mile an hour. Right, 4S run first. Interested to see with this new motor on 4S. I've geared it, it's down 1/2 from the last run. I think I had a 22 on the last one, we got 21. It's really windy today, guys, so you may struggle to hear me, but satellites are up, GPS is set. 4S run first with this giant motor. Let's see what we get. 41 to beat, I think. Right, take 2. I picked up the wrong transmitter. Which is easy to do when you've got about 1 million DumbRC ones. Right, 4S run, let's go. So definitely no cogging this time. It was a little bit on 4S last time, but this time's nice and smooth. Enough, let's bring it in, see what speed we got, then we're switching straight to 6S. .42, so we kind of matched. I think it might have been 41 the last time, but we kind of matched the 4S speed on the last motor, which means that this motor is working perfectly, whereas the other one was probably not up to its full potential. It's going to be interesting on 6S. Let's swap it out, let's give it a go. Right, here we go, 6S then. Get the GPS started. That's a good start, no cogging. This is going to be interesting, right. 6S first pass, here we go. Yes, that is nice. Definitely the motor that was knackered, guys. looks nice, smooth and quick. Awesome. Right, let's bring her in. Apologies if you can't hear me, it is really windy. I'm trying to block it as much as possible. What are we saying, guys? Here we go. Oh, 58. So close to that 60 mark. I wanted 60 mile an hour. Let's give it another run. Come on, 60. I think if we gear up that one tooth, we're going 60. Let's try the wind behind us. That is fast. Yes, 60 mile an hour. Awesome. Maybe I need to switch it over to kilometers an hour and make the thumbnail. I think that's probably a good idea. The ESC is pretty cold. Motor as well, I can stick my hand on that motor. That is a good sign, we could gear this up. So a lot of people have been asking to put the original wheels on. That's going to be the next video. We're going to stick the original wheels on this because they are going to balloon like crazy. And that is going to be comedy gold. Anyway, I'm going to give this a couple more runs, see if we can get better than 60, and then I think that'll be it. Whoa. Catching air on your wheels, yeah. Again. Nice, consistent 60 mile an hour. That's it for this video, guys. Cheers for watching. I'm really happy that we have broke 60 mile an hour off-road. So we can gear this up because that motor and ESC is still quite cool. The battery's a little bit warm, but let's gear it up a bit. Let's go for a bit more. That last little tumble, I bent me upper arm rod there, so I need to sort that out. Other than that, really happy. Right, anyway, I'm going to have a little play of this now. Look out for the video with the massive wheels. It's going to be some comedy tire ballooning in that. Cheers for watching. I'll see you next time.